Hello, I hope you enjoyed seeing my video about my weekly news report in my house. Now it's your turn to make a weekly news report. This week I want you to use this document to write down different things that happen in your house so that you can make a news report at the end of the week. This document is on the platform. You download it now from the page, okay? And then you can complete it during the week. You need to write when did it happen, write the day and the time, okay? Where, or in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, okay? Remember, we say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but we say at night or at 4 o'clock. We also say on Monday, on Tuesday. You need to say where it happened. Was it in the bathroom, in the kitchen, in the bedroom, in the garden, on the balcony? And what happened? Okay, so use this to make a plan and remember everything that happens during the week. Okay, then at the end of the week, you need to go to Flipgrid and make a video, just like my video, on Flipgrid to tell us about the news from your week at home. Okay, on the second page of this document, we have something to help us remember which words to use when we're talking about the time. Okay, we say in for in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. We say at for at night, at noon, at midnight, at 3 o'clock, at 4 o'clock. And we say on for the day. I will see you on Monday or on Monday morning, okay? Have fun, make a good plan, okay? You can write in English or in Italian on this or draw pictures. It's just for you, okay? And it's to help you make your video at the end of the week. Please try to do your video in Flipgrid so that everybody else in the class can see it. If you have any problems with Flipgrid, tell me and ask for some help.